Stop and think for a second. Is your current SUV serving you, or are you serving it? Between skyrocketing gas prices and dashboards that look like confusing giant iPads, car shopping has become a major headache. I've spent the last week digging through the 2026 data from Consumer Reports, Edmunds, and CarEdge to find the holy grail of reliable SUVs. And in this video, we're cutting through the marketing fluff to find 7 SUVs that prioritize your comfort, your safety, and your hard-earned savings. These aren't just cars, they're investments in your freedom. And if you want a vehicle that will last you the next 15 years without a headache, these are the only 7 names you need to know. Starting our list at number 7, the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. If you're looking for a vehicle that's just the right size, this is it. It's essentially a taller, more capable version of the legendary Corolla, designed for those who want to sit higher for better visibility without driving a massive tank. The data from CarEdge is what really shines here. It's the most affordable SUV on our list to run with a 10-year maintenance cost of just $5,800. It's simple, it's honest, and with 42 miles per gallon, it's a budget hero for anyone on a fixed income. You get standard all-wheel drive for those rainy or snowy days, and it's remarkably easy to park at the grocery store. It doesn't try to be fancy, it just tries to be the most reliable tool in your shed. Moving to number 6, the Lexus NX 350h. This is for the driver who wants a touch of luxury without the giant price tag or the massive footprint. The NX is a masterclass in compact luxury. Consumer Reports gives it a near-perfect reliability rating because it shares its bulletproof DNA with Toyota, but wraps it in a much quieter, softer package. If your neck doesn't turn like it used to, you'll love the tech here. It features a digital rearview mirror and a 360-degree camera system that is crystal clear, making backing out of a tight driveway feel safe again. It's easy on the joints too, with doors that operate with a simple touch and seats that offer incredible lumbar support for those longer trips to see the family. Now, out of these 7, there is one that actually has a secret senior discount hidden in its insurance premiums. I'll tell you which one that is at the very end of the video. At number 5, we have the Toyota Highlander Hybrid. If you're the designated grandparent chauffeur, this is your king. It's a 3-row SUV that doesn't feel like driving a bus. The Highlander is a legend in reliability world, often reaching 200,000 miles with nothing more than regular oil changes. What makes it perfect for seniors is the layout. It's built to be a family fortress. Maintenance costs stay low, roughly $6,000 over a decade, which is nearly $3,000 less than its competitors. It offers a peace of mind that few other brands can match. You get the space you need for the grandkids' gear, but the fuel economy of a much smaller car. It's the smart choice for the head of the family who refuses to waste money. Coming in at number 4, the Honda CR-V Hybrid. This SUV has one specific feature that seniors absolutely love, and it's all in the doors. The rear doors open a full 90 degrees. If you struggle with hip or knee issues, or if you're trying to buckle a grandchild into a car seat, that extra space is a lifesaver. Edmunds ranks this as a top-rated SUV because the interior is so intuitive. There's no learning curve here. The buttons are big, the dials are physical, and everything is right where your hand expects it to be. It holds its value better than almost any other vehicle on the road, so when it comes time to trade it in years down the road, you'll be the one with the upper hand. At number 3, we have the Lexus RX 350h. If you value peace and quiet above all else, look no further. This is the quietest cabin on our list. For those who use hearing aids, road noise can be a constant frustration, but the RX uses special acoustic glass to turn the cabin into a library. It's famous for its cloud-like ride. The suspension is tuned to soak up potholes and bumps, meaning you won't feel the road in your spine. Consumer Reports gives it a 5 out of 5 for owner satisfaction because it treats you like royalty every time you sit inside. It's a sophisticated, elegant retreat that proves you don't have to sacrifice comfort for reliability. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. This is the gold standard. It is the best-selling SUV in America for a reason. It simply refuses to quit. It's the perfect balance of everything we've talked about. Easy entry, high seating position, and incredible fuel efficiency. It has a 16% lower maintenance cost than the industry average, which is money that stays in your pocket. The 2026 model features a very low hood line, giving you a commanding view of the road right in front of your bumper. It's rugged enough for a dirt road to a cabin, but refined enough for a nice dinner in the city. It's a no-nonsense vehicle for a no-nonsense owner. And finally, our number one pick for 2026, the Subaru Forester. This isn't just an SUV, it's a visibility champion. If you've ever felt trapped inside a car with tiny windows and huge blind spots, the Forester is your answer. It has the largest glass area of any SUV in its class. You have a nearly 360-degree view of the world around you, which makes you a safer, more confident driver. It is built to last 200,000 miles and features a permanent all-wheel drive system that is the best in the business. It's easy to get in, easy to see out of, and incredibly safe. Take a look at this data. If you want the lowest maintenance bill over the next decade, the Toyota Corolla Cross is your winner at just under $6,000. But if you struggle with neck mobility, look at the Subaru Forester. It's the only one on this list with excellent visibility ratings across the board. These aren't just opinions. This is what the engineers and data experts are seeing for 2026. Now, I promised you a secret. Out of all 7 SUVs we just talked about, there is one that actually has a hidden senior discount built into its insurance premiums. It's the Subaru Forester. Here's why. Most insurance companies, including giants like Liberty Mutual, have a specific Subaru Advantage program. Because the Forester has the best outward visibility and the highest rated eyesight safety tech, insurance companies literally classify it as a low-risk vehicle for drivers over 65. In fact, the data shows that seniors driving a Forester pay an average of $94 a month. That is nearly 40% less than almost any other mid-size SUV on the road. So if you pick the Forester, you aren't just saving on gas, you're getting a safe driver discount without even trying. Choosing the right car in 2026 is about protecting your independence and your wallet. At AutoFusion Lab, we want to make sure you're making the smartest move possible. If you found this helpful, please hit that subscribe button and join our community. We're here to help you navigate the road ahead with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.